Alright, open the door. I'm not on.
Open it.
I'm being kidnapped! I'm being kidnapped! I'm being kidnapped! Look, I am being kidnapped. Look at this. You're recording this. I've been kidnapped. I haven't did anything wrong.
Get out of the car!
I haven't did anything wrong. I haven't did anything wrong. I haven't did anything wrong. I'm being beaten.
I got him.
Oh, he's beating me. Oh!
Stop resisting!
Oh, I ain't resisting nothing.
Got another cuff? Yeah, I do.
I can't breathe.
You can talk, you can breathe.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
I got him.
Hey, you recording this? Hey, don't pull my hair.
Good, stop resisting!
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I don't resist. I'm not resisting. Stop resisting. Yeah, I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting. Oh!
Walk to the car.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
I'm
You
not
do what
either.
we're telling you. You're resisting.
I'm not resisting. You just kidnapped me. A minute.
Check him before he gets in.
Check me. Hey, you gotta stop pulling my hair.
Shut up.
Hey, record this. It's being recorded.
Good.
Kid getting kidnapped.
We're recording it too.
Yep, good. Good.
Turn around!
I'm being kidnapped. Oh, you hit me? You hit me?
Put your legs in!
I can't put my
Put
legs
your feet in.
in.
Yes,
We've
you
had
can.
this happen before. They had to take my shoes off. Now you gonna kick me? You gonna kick me?
Put your legs
You
in.
see how big my boots is?
It doesn't matter.
Put them in!
How?
Put them in.
We gonna do punch me?
Yeah, put them
Go
in.
ahead.
Put them in.
Sam, record this.
Who you talking to? There's nobody out here, sir.
Yeah, I know you scared it into the house.
Put them in.
Scared into the house.
Yeah.
How am I gonna put them in? You see how big my
Do your
boots
butt
is?
back.
Put it in,
Put
sir.
your fucking shoes in. It's not that hard. Just
Yes.
put your feet in.
I'm on.
You're not under,
get it.
you're under arrest because you refused to stop.
I didn't refuse to stop.
Yes, sir, you did. You
I did not refuse to stop.
Yeah, you're
For what? What did you stop me for anyway?
You're revoked.
What?
You don't have a driver's license and you're driving without a
You
driver's
know
license.
who I am. You don't know
We
who
know,
I am.
yeah, we know you don't have a driver's
You don't
license.
know
Just
who
take
I
his
am.
boots off, throw them
I
in
don't
the
need
car.
the right to
That's the
travel.
reason.
I have right to travel.
You have
There
right
you
to
go.
travel,
Attaboy. Attaboy. Attaboy.
Yeah, put them in.
Attaboy.
Put 'em in.
Shut my foot in the door.
You're saying that I am being detained.
You are being detained
For what reason?
because you were violating the speed limit.
Speed limit is not a crime in the state
It
of
is.
Texas. No, it's
in the
not.
traffic code.
No, according to the traffic code. Okay, let's look at the traffic code. I
Sir,
have
can I
read
see
the
your driver's
traffic
license
code.
and proof of insurance,
The
please?
traffic code states that all traffic laws are for people operating a commercial vehicle. I am not operating a commercial vehicle. This is not a commercial vehicle. I am not operating a commercial vehicle at all.
Sir, let me see
I
your
do
driver's
not
license
have
and
to
proof of
have a
insurance.
commercial vehicle. I do not have to operate it with a license with a commercial vehicle or anything like that. So in the state
Sir,
of Texas, the
what is your
laws
name, sir?
only apply
Sir, what is your
to
name?
the laws only apply to vehicles that
Sir,
have. That's fine.
What
Y'all
is
are
your
going.
driver's- I need to see your driver's license. Please.
Then we have another cop pulling up, and I'm
Sir!
sitting here asking
Sir!
them the same
What
thing.
is
I
your name?
need you to stand down and get your.
Open your window now, or I'm gonna bust it out.
Now you're going. Okay, I need you to call and I need you to get your supervisor
Sir, let me
out
see your
here.
driver's license
I
and
need
proof
your
of insurance.
supervisor out here. I need your supervisor. I am asking for. I am asking him for his supervisor. I am asking you for your supervisor. Okay, officer, I am asking you for your supervisor to come out here. Now you have busted my vehicle up, and now you are going to detain me. You are illegally getting into my vehicle, and now you have taken my phone.
On the ground. On the ground.
But we told you he's an Article 4 free inhabitant, so he does not have to have a license. This is on recording. Article 4, free inhabitant, pursuant to the Articles of Confederation. You can look it up. It's in the United States Book of Codes. It is your laws you have to follow.
All right, I will do that.
Just please call my mom.
I want to walk you back here.
Article 4, free inhabitant pursuant to the Articles of
Put the
Confederation.
camera down for me. Is that if it records, that's fine. But I don't want you holding anything.
No weapons, no weapons. All right, no.
Okay. So what I'm going to ask you to do is the same thing.
I get out of the car?
Yes.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
All
You
right.
can go get your superior.
Well, I am going to tow this car, and you cannot be in the vehicle while I'm towing this vehicle.
Well, if you go get your superior,
That's not
he'll
gonna happen right
clarify that he can be set free because he does not
That's
have
not
to have a
going to
license.
happen right now, young lady. So either you're going to come out of the car on your own free will, or I'm going to assist you.
I'm going to get out of the car and walk down to that house.
No, you are not free to leave right now.
Are you saying you have authority over me?
Yes, I do.
You have proven authority over me.
Yes, I do.
How did you do that?
The County of Imperial through the sheriff.
You do not have authority over a human being,
All right,
over
well,
a free
you know what?
inhabitant.
Do you want to argue the point?
You need to go look up your
I don't
laws.
have to look at anything right now. What I need to do is get you out of the vehicle. If you have identification, please hand the identification over to me.
No.
Identify yourself to me.
And I'm not going to step out of the vehicle.
All right. Well, you know, you are impeding my investigation. You are delaying me, which is a penal code violation in the state of California.
That law only
140.
applies to U.S. citizens.
Well, where are you a citizen of?
I am not a U.S. citizen.
Well, see, that's
I
where
am
you're
a free
mistaken.
inhabitant. I am of
That's
the
where
earth.
you're-
I do not belong to any corporation. I do
That's-
not belong to any country.
Yeah, but as
no.
long as you're in the sovereign states of the United States, you will abide by the rules
No.
and laws.
See,
and you have
a
certain
free
protection.
a free inhabitant is they are allowed to. They're free people. They have all of the rights of a U.S. citizen without following any of their laws.
Well, that would just be pure anarchy
No,
if that were the case.
No, because
So I'm
we're
gonna have
peaceful
you step
people.
out of the
We're
vehicle
peaceful
for me,
people. You go call them up and ask them, and they'll tell you exactly what I'm talking
Well,
about.
I don't know who to call.
Your superior.
Well, I am a superior to a certain extent.
So call your superior.
Well, it's going to take a couple hours or so for somebody to come down.
Well, just
and that's
call
not going to
them.
happen right now.
Well, then we're gonna have to solve it some other way.
All right.
We just need to. You need to call in, tell them I'm a free inhabitant, and find out what
Well,
that is.
I am going to tow this vehicle, young lady, so you cannot be in this vehicle.
I understand that. So all right, then I'm gonna get out of the vehicle and I'm going to walk down to that house
No, you're
because
not.
you do not have
No,
authority
you're
over
not.
me. Well, then I'm not getting out of the vehicle.
No, you're not.
Why?
You're not free to leave.
Why?
As soon as I conclude the rest of my investigation, you will be free to leave. As far as I know, you have not done anything wrong at this point, but you are slowly reaching to
okay,
that point
you know what?
to 148 PC.
I'll get out of the vehicle for you. I will get out of the vehicle. And I'm getting water.
All right, well, you're not free to leave.
You're
You're going to take the bag
No,
off.
no, I'm
You're going
not.
to take the bag off.
No, I'm not.
Relax your...
Hey, you're raping me. This is rape. This is rape. This is rape.
Relax.
Okay,
Relax your arms.
it's relaxed.
Stop fighting with
It's
me.
relaxed.
Stop fighting with me. Stop fighting.
All right, I'm
Okay.
not fighting.
Center 2, 5, 6. I got a combative X-ray.
Here, I'm lifting my arm up. I'm lifting my
Leave
arm
your
up.
arm right
It
there.
hurt. Okay, I told you what I was doing.
This is pain compliance, okay? It's not meant to be comfortable.
This is
Do I have your
illegal.
attention?
This is completely illegal.
Relax your arm.
No! Take my bag off!
I can't.
You're not putting me in the car. You can wait till you get to your superior. You are not taking my bag off. You can handcuff me with my bag on.
You're right. I will. Relax.
I'm relaxed. You got my bag! You got my bag! You're gonna get in so much trouble, you son of a bitch! You're gonna get sued! You don't even know what you're doing! I'm telling you, I'm
Young
gonna
lady,
fucking sue you!
Stop.
What's your name?
One of y'all gonna read me my rights, or am I gonna hold that against y'all too? No. Because I'm under custodial arrest right now. I need to be Miranda. Y'all think it's a game. I'm not playing. All you had to do was read what I gave you, and I could have been on my way, but y'all want to violate my constitution, right?
Okay, sir, so you're not going to supply any
So
identification?
for what? For what need?
It's a yes or no.
What need?
Supply-
What crime was committed? Again.
I've explained that.
What crime? No, you haven't. Neither one of you have explained the crime. I'm using crime on purpose. You should know what's going on right now, but y'all still playing this role.
I know exactly what's going on.
Okay, well what you're gonna have to do is come in my personal property and pull me out and kidnap me. That's what you're gonna have to do, because right now you don't have any jurisdiction over me because I haven't committed a crime. And we can go through all of this, or it could be simple and I could go about my way to the market like I was doing. That's what can happen. That's the only thing that's gonna happen. Or you two are gonna be cited for civil violations. I'm telling you.
I'm absolutely fine with that.
Okay. The VIN number's right there. Only thing you can check this car for is to see if it was stolen. That's it. That's what you have jurisdiction over. That. See if the car's stolen.
I'm gonna ask you to exit the vehicle.
I'm not getting out of my personal vehicle. My personal consumer good. You're gonna have to break in my personal vehicle and kidnap me. That's what's gonna happen.
Please don't make us break your vehicle.
Listen, hey, listen. Do what y'all need to do. Do what you need to do. I'm not getting out of my personal vehicle. Take it as far as you need to take it.
Absolutely silly right now.
Okay, I'm keeping my. You trying to violate my constitution and telling me I'm being silly?
All right, right now you are under arrest. Please exit your vehicle.
I'm not leaving anything. I'm not under arrest because I haven't committed a crime. I'm peaceably refusing to leave my personal property. I'm peaceably refusing to leave my personal property. That's what's happening. I'm not getting out of my personal property. Violate my constitution. And why are you touching my personal property? I'm asking these officers these people to remove their hand from my personal property. That's what's happening right now. My personal property. So if you come in here, that's what you're facing, officer. And you guys don't even know the law.
All right, again, I'm gonna ask you, please exit the vehicle, sir.
They're about to break my window, which I'm pressing charges about. I'm not leaving my vehicle. Glass chips. Get all of it.
I'm operating under the Republic of Canada. That's a legal jurisdiction here in Canada. Because Canada's dissolved. Canada's dissolved. I'm also going to hand you this paperwork.
Yeah, sure.
Yep. So this officer is accepting the paperwork that we are a criminal organization. So that's on camera. And also, you guys have been involved in kidnapping our child with Children's Aid Society. So here's another legal document because you're involved in kidnapping our child, which is also why we don't comply with your laws, because you guys are thieves to us. You thieved our child from us. So we will not comply or acknowledge you.
Your name's not on here either.
No, it's not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be. These are things I'm issuing to you because...
who you are.
No, you do not. I just proved that in criminal court, bud. The judge bowed down to me. It took 2 minutes because you're using trust law in the court, and I know it.
Okay.
So because of that, I know I don't have to identify myself to a cop.
Okay.
I know my rights, man. Sorry. I'll stand on them.
I don't think you do.
I do. I've been arrested twice and never been charged.
You
guys are... I consider you guys a threat to me because you've detained me twice. I have not been convicted in court.
Had an opportunity to read the Highway Traffic Act?
I don't need to. I canceled my contracts under the Highway Traffic Act. You can't enforce that act on me.
Okay.
I operate under common law jurisdiction of the Republic of Canada.
Okay.
Okay.
I've never heard of it.
Well, you did today, and you should learn that your oath to the Queen's nullified and abolished, and you guys don't have authority.
Look, now there's 2 other cruisers here.
I don't care. I'm standing for my rights, man. Plain and simple. Bring them all. Bring your whole force. I am not intimidated at all, man.
Okay.
I know my rights. Don't open my door.
I need you to identify yourself.
No, you don't. You have no right to open my door.
He's a sovereign citizen. He won't identify himself. So, are you going to identify yourself?
I do not have to, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you.
Open my door. You have no right to fucking touch me. You guys have kidnapped our child. Nope, I'm leaving. Don't get in front of me. You're pulling your gun on me? Okay, he's pulling his gun on me. Everybody, I have not done anything criminally wrong. He's pulling his gun on me. No. No. It's off. Parking brakes on. I'm no threat. I'm no threat. They're pointing their guns at me just because I don't have the right plates on my car. That's why.
Ready to grab it.
You guys don't have this authority. You're gonna break my window. Don't. I'll open my door. Don't. Ow! Asshole! What the hell?
Get out of the car now.
Okay, they just broke my glass. See that? Beautiful. Good job.
Get out of the fucking car now.
I have nothing on me. Oh, you're gonna cut me. Don't. Oh, open the door. You're gonna cut me. You're going to cut me.